I'm out with my dad. He's over from Dubai and we're trying to find a place to drink.
It's a fucking lovely place. It's just fucking freezing and it's dead. It's just fucking cold.
Yeah, but it's a fresh cold. It's a bit like a skiing cold.
Is it freezing though?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
How do you know it's freezing?
Because they were gritting the roads earlier.
But I cannot bear spiders.
No, I'm not a fan of spiders myself. You do get a fair number of spiders in this house. Although I must say, over the visits that I've had over the past 10 years, I think I've only ever seen one spider.